livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. There's a gang car coming full of men, ready to work the line. Watch out for the girl train dead ahead, trying to get done on time. The ballast temper shovels the rock in between the ties. It works so fast they'll have it done before the next sunrise. With men from the rail yard, better hurry along. Here comes a boss with his inspection car. The tie injector keeps out planks all along the way. They'll work the line both day and night of building a railway. They'll work the line both day and night of